There we go to the trail. Yeah.
Are these short videos you're taking?
Uh-huh. There's not black bears, black.
I'll climb this rock. You can take a picture of me on it. I'll hang, and you
Yeah,
can be like, look
right.
what happened to her.
Don't go on the rocks, guys.
Yeah.
Stay on the trail.
Yeah, it's not true.
Stay on the trail. Ooh. Go. I know. Take a picture of that.
What if there was a bunch of people doing that?
Come on, Dad.
Dad,
Why can't you?
Dad.
Tell me why you can't.
So now I know how they took a picture of that bridge picture right underneath it.
Oh, look, it looks like one of the pieces of the swinging. Hey, Dad,
How
look.
are you jumping
One of
over
the
that?
pieces of the swinging bridge fell off. Because I see a rusty part in the rocks. Hey, Dad.
Under the bridge.
Dad, what if a bunch of people...
He's doing great.
Come on.
What if a bunch of handy-mamies were wiggling
So
those
bad right here
poles?
because
Oh yeah, cause you can't tell it.
Hey, what if a bunch of handy-mamies were wiggling those poles? Then how wiggly would it be? How wiggly would it be if you... Oh my goodness, look how wiggly and jiggly it is. Look.
Oh, it is wiggly.
Why is there springs on it? Why not
Look at it
wiggle?
jiggle.
jiggle.
The
Okay,
bridge
let's
is
go
jiggling.
back on it now.
Yeah, come on. You can do it, huh?